Hello everyone, in this video we will be going to see how you can deal with nested JSON files. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'll be going to upload my dataset here. So you have to click on this button, click on upload and just select here the Kickstarter dataset and click on enter. I have already uploaded in order to save the time. Now the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to import some of the important libraries. The first library we have is something called as pandas library, which is used for data loading and performing various types of data cleaning operation. And second thing is JSON. Basically here we are dealing with JSON types of column. So I'm going to import the JSON library also. Let me run this out. Second thing, I'm going to load my dataset. So my dataset name is kickstarter.csv. So I'm going to load it out. Let us see the top 5 rows of the dataset with the help of head function. Here we can see these are the top 5 rows of my dataset. From looking at the dataset, you can see the category column is of JSON type. So what I can do, I will perform some processing so that I will normalize this JSON column. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to select this JSON category column and I'm going to apply a lambda function which will convert this JSON column. Earlier it was a string type. You can validate it here. Like if I do df.dtypes, earlier you can see it was of object type. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert them into a JSON column. So here I'm going to apply the lambda function and here I'm converting the column into JSON time. Let me run this out. Now you can see my column is converted into a JSON column. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this JSON column into a pandas series. If you remember, series is basically a one-dimensional data frame. That is what we are going to do. Now if I run this out, you can see this is my JSON column. Let us see each values here. You can see ID is there, name is there, analytics name is there, slug is there, position, parent ID, everything is there. You can validate it from here. ID, name, all the things which is written here. So based on the keys present here, as many new columns are getting created. So let us say if there is 9 keys present, then there will be 9 columns created in this JSON data frame. Now, once we have this data frame, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rename this column. So here, what I'm going to do, the column name is category and I'm going to make the subset of that category column. So it will be like this: category underscore ID, category underscore name, category underscore analytics name, category underscore slug, and so on. This thing is very much important because it will avoid the name conflict. So this is our normal list comprehension syntax that I'm going to use here. Next, once we have done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop this category column and I will join with this new data frame. That is the thing that I'm going to do. So first of all, I'm going to drop my category column. So I have written df.drop column equal to category. And then I'm going to perform join with this JSON underscore df data frame. Now if I run this out, and if I do head function, you can see this is my new data frame. You can see all the new columns are getting created. So this is how you can deal with nested types of JSON column.